doing, I don't know what to do, I don't know what to do! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking on this video. If you're new here, you're so welcome. Now this isn't clickbait, it's a bit of an impromptu video because your girl has an emergency with her hair. Yeah, I'm cutting my hair. So stick around if you want to see how much. Hear the story, okay? So, alright, let me just take it down a bit. I have a waist length journey that I want to achieve this year. That's right, I said 2020. I know some of you are thinking it's a really tall stretch, Mel. You know, I'm one of the queens of doing challenges, and I was just writing down all of the different challenges I'm hoping to do along with you guys for this year. And I kind of thought every month has a different challenge to kind of stimulate hair growth, keep my hair well moistured, and really get me that healthy hair that I need for waist length. When I look back on some of the videos for the best challenges that I did that really helped my hair grow, I was just like, hair, is this my hair? Let me show you. Yeah, I know you're thinking that, yeah, Mel, your hair hasn't looked like that for ages. And I know why, because this winter I've had such a struggle. I've been telling you guys that I've had a struggle for getting my hair to do exactly what it's supposed to do. Hello, is anybody there? And then out of nowhere, I had a lightning bolt. Basically, the Holy Spirit had to tell me, Mel, you need to cut your hair. So here I am. I'm going to cut my hair because not only has my shape grown out, and I kind of wanted my hair to be all one length, and then I realised, no, that don't suit you. I needed body, I needed volume. And I feel like the only way that I'm going to give my challenges for this year a really good head start, and right now it's struggling. I need a trim. So, without further ado, I'm gonna cut the hair. I can almost hear you through this the camera. I can't even talk, I'm speechless. Say, Mel, be careful, don't cut all that hair, but my hair's not the same. It's because I haven't had a trim for 9 months. Now, bearing in mind, my hair needs a trim every 4 to 5 months, so I've missed a trim. My hair's not the same. And it shocked me because I'd realised that I remember when I needed a trim, it was around maybe, I don't know, maybe June, July maybe. And I thought, oh, it'll be all right, I'll just get through this challenge, thinking that the challenge will sort it out. But no, the challenge did not. Anyway, you know what? Hair grows back, and I'm not defined by the length of my hair, even the condition of my hair. It is what is going on inside my heart that is most important. You know, I'm kind of like, it's grown out. Okay, so if I do this, we got the triangle. And nobody liked the triangle, okay? I feel like I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. I think I'm nervous. I'm so hot. I'm just going to change my top, okay? Because I'm very hot right now. I feel like some hot flashes come over me when the realization that I'm going to cut my hair. I'll be back. I'm coming back. Okay then. I am back. Back for business, man. Anyway. I'm still all right. Bearing in mind my hair is doing pretty well. Oops. It's doing pretty well. I mean, that ain't bad. Okay. So I'm going to do long layers. So this could be my last layer. And then without taking the length off, I could just shape it up there. It just needs to, you know, live again. My hair looks like it's very limp, and it just doesn't have the va-va-voom like it normally does. So at this point, I just need to say, this is not a tutorial. Hey, you in there? Have you heard me? So don't follow me, okay? I have my own rules. I've watched a ton of videos out there from non-professionals doing their own hair at home, and I just thought, once again, I might as well try it myself. I've done at-home chopping before. Some went really well and some didn't. If you want to see any of those videos, I'll link them down in the description bar below. But, you know, you will have a good laugh because, you know, I'm not a professional. Okay then. So, I'm going to separate the fringe. Fringe is going back all the way here. There we go. There we have the fringe. It's going to be a lot fuller. Let's tuck this one away. I feel like I'm going to do the fringe first. They're really frayed, aren't they? Can you see how frayed the ends are? Last time I did this video for my fringe, I cut it to here, and then when it dried it was around here. Oh man, I looked like fried duck. It was an embarrassing thing. So I've parted it like this because I often wear Martin middle parting, and then I've also parted it like that so I can do layers. Just trimming the ends, probably about 1 centimetre. I've only taken about this much off, and I'm probably going to do, you can't really see that properly, but that feels good already. Now I'm going to use this as a guide. Okay, it's the same length there. Now this one at the top, I'm just going to do it a little bit shorter so that there's volume. Okay, so I'm just going to twist that up and leave that over here. That took me 2 minutes to do that. Oh, it feels so much better already. Oh, yes, love it. Okay, now, so I need to keep my length. So here's the other layers, the top layers. This is the back. And anyway, I'm just going to trim the ends. This is muscle work, man. I'm cutting it like this straight out because I still want the layers in my trim. After watching so many videos, I need my hair to lie layered effortlessly without any assistance of me poofing it together, teasing it and whatnot. So the idea is to bring the hair forward and trim it a certain way. Okay, it's falling in a little shape, as you can see. Okay, so I did that right. Okay. This is the moment of truth. Let's have a look, see if roughly the shape is there. See that? So when I go like this, does it fall back in a nice little... Yes, it does. This side's much better though than this side. I don't know why. Oh, it feels good at the back as well. Ooh, that feels good. It's falling in the right way. Love it. Okay, right. So I've done the best I can. It definitely feels a lot better. It's got body, even though it's frizzy and stretched. Look, this is all I trimmed off. It really felt like it seemed like I was cutting a lot more off, but really, this is all I've taken off. Is that really it? It's not that much, is it? I'm very, very pleased, but I need to see how short it's going to be, because look how short it is right now. Look, it's just here. It's probably going to be about here when it's curly, but we shall see. So I need to wash my hair, deep condition my hair, and come back when it's done. Now it's night time already, so there's a big possibility that we'll not come back later on today. So tomorrow's hair I will come back anyway, and you'll see what my curls look like. Alright, so I'm back. I'm back with the curls, the happy curls, the curls that look revitalized, they look healthy. These curls are 2 days after my haircut. I didn't really do a brilliant job at, you know, getting that really angled shape, but I'm alright about that. Let me draw you closer. Like, the ends of my hair so healthy. My ends look so nice. This is day 2, so the second day after trimming it. It just looks so much healthier. It looks like it's back to the way it was before, which proves to me I've got to keep up with my every 4 to 5 months for a trim. So I'm just showing you, I didn't chop too much off. This length is here. Okay, armpit is there. So I've not done too bad. The shrinkage is real. My hair does not look dull anymore, and it's got that body. I haven't even picked my hair out. Another reason why I really was keen to trim my hair is because I want to start my ends off really clean, so that when I'm doing all these challenges and really focusing on hair growth for this year, that at least my hair is not going to break off because it's dry and the ends are brittle, and they're just, it's a waste of time. Okay guys, I'm going now. I'm hoping to edit the next video for the first challenge for 2020. Just before I go, I want to say thank you to those of you who have purchased my hair growth oil. If you don't know what it is by now, here's the hair growth oil. Alright guys, I will see you again in my next video. You take care now, and God bless you. Bye. Oh, I'm loving these curls, baby girl. Ah.